Hello everyone, this is Hitechtalk. So in this video, I will show you how to create a attractive reel by using just one photo. So I will show you in my mobile screen how to use it. Open your Instagram account, click on plus and go to reels and select any photo. For example, I am selecting this photo. Now click on this filter icon here and search for photo booth scroll version 2. So once you will select this, here you can see this is how it will make a single photo into a video. Now you can post this. So I hope you will find this video useful. Thank you. And one more thing, try to use trending audio. So this will help you to get more views and it will help you to go viral in Instagram. Thank you.